drive them pussy plastic trucks. Let me tell you, for those of y'all, like, it's not to pick on you guys, but those of y'all, like, you new age truck drivers who never got to drive one of these old ass trucks, you know, I'm gonna say old ass, probably big time fucking hit you. Nah, well, just kidding. Who's never got to drive one of these, like, you know, a truck from the 80s, 90s, early 2000s, you know, a small cab truck, like a 379, 380, 359, 389, W9, any of the nines, you know? With a stick shift. It's how trucking, you know, it made trucking fun. It made trucking desirable. The shit you drive now, your Cascadias, and you put it in D, and your little Jake brakes that they can barely hear. Not like this. It's this bitch. You know, this is trucking. You know what I mean? It just makes it fun. It makes it fun. Getting in a truck like this, like, my God's earth, are the mufflers right outside the fucking windows. You wonder why we're deaf and we can't hear. But it's still fucking fun. Like, I was over trucking. I drove that Cascadia for 3 years. Yes, it was great. It was comfortable. Everything worked. It was a fucking dream to drive. But it wasn't trucking. This grimy, dirty, fucking small, loud, rough-ass ride in Peterbilt, this is goddamn trucking. This is what made trucking fun. This is why our forefathers trucked. This is like the dream. Like, everyone's like, oh, I want to be a truck driver. Trucking is so great. The window so you can hear me. I don't know, like, it brought the joy of trucking back to me, you know what I mean? And she ain't the fastest, she ain't the prettiest, and honestly, she's slow as fuck. But, just being in it, you know, it's hard to fuck back up, because, like I said, you can't see it's hard to fuck to back up, you know, you can't see back there, all you can see is the fucking snacks, but it's fun, dude. And you guys don't, you know, and you're a big super mega carrier, you know, Cascadia, 680s, and whatever the fuck you guys are running nowadays. It's not to see it, you know. This is trucking. This is a joy. Like, I wake up in the morning now, it's like, oh fuck, man, I can't wait to go to work. Oh man, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna blast through the fucking Costco wide open with my pipes fucking blaring and the jinx on high, because I'm a dick bag like that while everybody's sleeping. Because you know why? Because I fucking can. Guess what? You guys can't, because you drive them pussy plastic trucks. Alright, that's what I'm gonna say about that. Gibbo!